concentrators, 3,200 oxygen cylinders, 1,36,000 are remedesivir injection. What is the Modi government doing when they have told the Supreme Court that as far as oxygen supply is concerned, COVID control is concerned, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are directly responsible? Why does it take 5 days for this foreign aid to be immediately distributed to Delhi? Hardly 5 kilometers is the distance from the airport to Delhi. People in Delhi, hospitals in Delhi, patients in Delhi, doctors in Delhi are dying only because of lack of oxygen. Batra Hospital, 12 people died, including a doctor. What is it? What will move this government? They are in a complete comatose stage. They just don't know what to react. Empower one minister says that empowered group of ministers will look into it. Other says the other ministry will look into it. Whatever it is, just distribute this whole thing to Delhi, to other states which are suffering because of not having all this equipment. And it is because of the Modi government not preparing and deliberately sleeping on their job that we are facing this situation. Now when foreign aid is coming from so many foreign countries, we are thankful to them. You cannot even distribute them immediately.
You feel that these aid should be immediately...
Now, see, it is coming to the government of India by the respective foreign countries. So it is the immediately the government of India should disperse it, should distribute it to every other state in India, which are facing this huge challenge of COVID second wave. Hospitals, there are no beds. Remedesivir injection is not there. Tocilizumab injection is not available. Oxygen is not available. People are crying. People are dying. There are so many images of Shamshan Ghats be not able to even burn those bodies. There is not enough land to bury people in either Khabristan or in Christian graveyards. What is happening? This aid has come from various respective foreign countries. You should have immediately had a plan of how to distribute it, how to divide it to respective states. But nothing. You are in a comatose stage.
Still we are witnessing deaths due to